ready to turn your blogger passion project into a money-making machine. Let's dive into how to seamlessly integrate Adsterra ads onto your blogger website. Step by simple step first. You'll need an Adsterra account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Adsterra.com and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the websites section. This is where you'll add your blogger site. Click the Add Website button and enter your blogger website's URL. Select the appropriate category for your blog's content. This helps Adsterra display relevant ads to your audience. Also, be sure to choose ad categories that align with your content and brand safety guidelines. Once that's done, click Add. Your website status will initially show as pending while Adsterra reviews it. This usually takes a short amount of time. Once approved, the status will change to active. When your site is active, click the Get Code button next to your website. This will take you to the ad unit selection page. Adsterra offers various ad formats. Banners are a great starting point. Consider the layout of your blog when choosing the best sizes. 300 by 250 or 728 by 90 banners often work well, and sidebars or headers. Pop-unders can also be effective, but use them judiciously to avoid annoying your visitors. Once you've chosen your ad unit, click Get Code. A code snippet will appear. Copy this code to your clipboard. Now head over to your blogger dashboard. Click on Layout. This is where you'll insert the Adsterra code. Choose where you want to display the ad. For a banner, a sidebar is often a good choice. Click Add a Gadget in your chosen location. Select the HTML, JavaScript gadget. Paste the Adsterra ad code into the content area. Give the gadget a title if you wish. Then click Save. Drag and drop the gadget to your desired position within the layout. This allows you to fine-tune where the ad appears on your page. Finally, view your blog to ensure the ad is displaying correctly. Remember to experiment with different ad placements and formats to find what works best for your audience and maximize your earnings. That's it. You're now monetizing your blogger's site with Adsterra. Good luck.